All right, 2011 Versys 650. We've got SW Motec crash guards and center stand all going on at the same time. So you take everything off on this side. There is a nut and a bolt there. I don't know if you can see it. There's the hole. The bolt goes all the way through there. That's the engine bolt. We think it goes engine guard. Spacer between the center stand and the engine guard. So don't put it all the way over like this. And then there is a spacer after the center stand before it goes into the engine. All right, the instructions are crap. It's like IKEA, they got pictures and that's about it. So, foot pegs off. You've got this on this side. Going in, you've got, get you to see this. Okay, starting from the left, you've got the bolt head, the crash guard, a spacer, the center stand bracket, another spacer, then the bolt goes into the engine. All right, the left side. Self-explanatory that those mount on there with a little rubber goes around there. Down here, this one goes through there, the spacer, and put on a new nut back there because it's a different thread bolt that they give you in the kit. Same for the other side. I can't see it quite in there, but it's down there. To the center stand brace. Put those two bottom ones in first loosely. Then behind the foot guard here, put them all in loose and try and get those in there straight. You might have to grind a bit because nothing lines up perfectly. That especially. All right. So I'm going to try and explain what we did on this side. We've got the foot pegs up to give us access underneath here. For the crash bar, it's not going to focus for you now. It comes through from the other side, the bolt. There's a large spacer, and then the center stand bracket, and then a small spacer, focus, and then the crash bar. On this back one, on this one here, you've got a spacer, and then the center stand bracket, and then the other center stand bracket coming down from there. I'm going to tighten those up, and then the foot peg goes on top of that. Done. Ashton's just putting on the last of the body work. The center stand is down, as we see there. She's putting on the last of that. Ashton, how was that? Was it fun or was it not?
It was fun.
It was what?
It was fun.
Oh my God, Ashton, quit swearing. Your mom's gonna kill you.
Okay, Dad, you can keep lying.
Kawasaki 650 Versys. We added the SW Motec crash bars and center stand. at the same time. It was kind of a pain in the butt. But they look good.